Hello, Jonathan here at Morgan&Mallet, and we're going to talk about a position in Southlake, Texas. The family is looking for a housekeeper chef to maintain the house, of course, to do the cleaning, the laundry. The family has three children. They range in ages from 17 to 20. So clearly, there's no nanny or watching out for the children, just making sure that the house is maintained and kept organized, clean, inventory shopping, doing the errands, in addition to working as a chef, which means preparing the meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner for all three children, and of course, the parents. It's a long term situation, some travel. They do go to Dubai in December. So if you're interested, please click below.